Here are 12 reasons you should be drinking lemon water. Today, I have an amazing topic that's going to change your morning routine for the better. I am going to share with you 15 reasons why you should start drinking lemon water every morning. So grab your notepad and get ready to take some notes. Reason number 1. It boosts your immune system. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system, protecting you from illnesses and keeping you feeling your best. Reason number 2. Lemon water aids in digestion. The acidity in lemons stimulates the production of digestive juices, which can help ease indigestion and bloating. Reason number 3. It detoxifies your body. Lemon water acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins and cleanse your system. Reason number 4. Lemon water promotes hydration. Adding lemon to your water makes it more flavorful and enjoyable, encouraging you to drink more water throughout the day. Reason number 5. It improves skin health. The antioxidants in lemons help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and blemishes, giving you a healthy and radiant complexion. Reason number 6. Lemon water aids in weight loss. Lemons contain pectin fiber, which helps curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Reason number 7. It freshens your breath. The acidic properties of lemons can help kill bacteria in your mouth, giving you a natural and refreshing breath. Reason number 8. Lemon water boosts energy levels. The scent of lemon alone has been shown to enhance mood and increase energy levels. Reason number 9. It supports heart health. The potassium in lemons helps maintain proper heart function and blood pressure levels. Reason number 10. Lemon water promotes alkalinity. Although lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on the body when metabolized, which can help balance your pH levels. Reason number 11. It improves liver function. Lemon water stimulates the liver, helping it to flush out toxins and improve its overall function. Reason number 12. Lemon water supports healthy gums. The vitamin C in lemons promotes gum health and can help prevent gum disease. That's a wrap on my 12 reasons why you should be drinking lemon water every morning. I hope you found these benefits as fascinating as I did. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be giving this a try. Please like and subscribe.